back to the kitchen, everyone. Welcome back to the video. So today, again, we're gonna be making a DIY vegan protein treatment. Since my years of being natural, I have seen this a million times. I've just been a little bit skeptical about actually doing it, but now I have all the supplies that I need. And my hair needs a protein treatment. I haven't done that in a minute. So this is a really easy this is super easy, so let's get right into it. Okay, so here are my ingredients. I'm going to be using a nice big avocado. I made sure they were just nice and ripe and ready. I use a really ripe banana as well. Make sure it's a little bit beat up to get a little bit more of the nutrients in there. I'm gonna be using some avocado oil just for some extra protein, some extra fats to repair my hair. Honey, of course, natural humectant there, and I want to be fancy and get some aloe vera juice just to spice it up a little bit. And I will be putting all of this in my NutriBullet and blending it up. So I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Okay, so let's start with our avocado. We're going to cut this bad boy open. Too ripe. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, so now that our avocado looks amazing, I'm going to open the banana. And then we're going to scoop the avocado. Alrighty, clean those out there. I'm gonna apply some honey first. I'm not sure how much. I'm just gonna guesstimate everything. I haven't used honey in a while, so that should be good. And then our avocado oil. This is expensive, so I'm gonna use a nice amount, but also a spraying amount. That's about it. And lastly, I'm going to use the aloe vera juice just to make sure this gets blended up. And I'm not sure how much of this. I'm gonna just splash. I don't know. I have no idea. Alright, and before I mix it, I'm just gonna mix it. Alright, so now let's put this on the blender. Okay, so after blending it, it is a little bit chunky, just a little bit too chunky. So I'm gonna add like a splash of aloe vera juice in there and put it back on the blender. So I want to still be able to, you know, be able to. Okay, so now that we're all done, we're going to put this through a sifter first, just to make sure all those big avocado chunks are out of there. Okay, so after all my sifting, this is all that's left, but I have a lot in here, so I'm not tripping about that little bit. Okay, so y'all know avocado gets old fast, so I'm going to hurry up and get in the shower and apply this to my hair. But I just wanted to give you guys a nice little texture feel. This is like, oh, so creamy, so perfect. I love it so much. This feels really good. I cannot wait to apply this to my hair. So let's get in the shower and then we'll give you guys a nice little demo. Okay, so I actually skipped the whole entire shower scene, but I did get in the shower and detangle my hair, and I parted it in 4 sections. Y'all know how I do. And we're just gonna be starting on the back section here. I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and wet. I'm going to detangle before I apply the mask as well. I would also recommend laying a towel down before applying the mask because it is green and it's food, so it will get a little bit messy. But when I did apply this mask, it is really thick and creamy, which my hair loves, so this was amazing.
I made sure to focus on my ends because that's really what needs a lot of help. As you can see, I section like my hair off in the back, not yet, but I do section my hair off and make sure I get those roots in between, because my hair is really thick, so just applying on the top is not always enough. So you section it in the middle, apply it in between, rub it through those roots, and make sure that it's all nice and moisturized. You see, I'm focusing on my ends here. This is how it looks with the mask all applied. I'm always shaking my hair at y'all, but y'all get the point. And I'm going to do this for the rest of my hair. So this section is all done. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little see here, and then we're going to do the other side. My hair felt really, really moisturized, nice and heavy. I could tell that it was really coated. My hair was definitely coated. I used a lot, and I had a lot left, so I went on and applied a little bit more before catching this huge string of hair that was caught in there. Yeah, I put a little bit more on the top just for where those dry areas are. I put a lot more on my ends. Focus on my ends, guys. If your ends are bad, please focus on your ends. I'm getting a trim soon, so don't pray on my downfall. But get it nice and coated. Grab your plastic cap or whatever you're using to secure your hair. Make sure it's nice and tight, nice and comfy. And I left this on for about 30 minutes. And once I came back, you guys can see that I was actually so amazed at how the mask did to my hair. I didn't think it would make my ends look that good. My ends looked so much more defined. My hair felt so moisturized. My curls were defined. Yes. So we're just gonna get in the shower. One more little view here. And then we're gonna rinse. So here I wanted to show you guys how it looked after I rinsed it out. My curls were so defined all the way down to the tip. Very bouncy, as you can see me pulling it down, very elastic. The back of my hair always feels a little bit like, like dry and rough, but this mask is amazing, guys. 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10, 100 out of 100, A+ score. I love this mask so much. You guys should definitely give it a try. Yeah, just one little quick view of my hair. It looks amazing. Love this mask. Definitely will be doing it probably every month or so. But yes, thank you guys for tuning in. Catch me on my next video. I'll be styling my hair. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.